one, go.
Hi, I'm Bridget Kalin, spelled the Irish way, here at the Louisville Irish Fest, which is a big 2-day event. People from all over. This year's headliner is a band from Scotland called Dallahan. They played all kinds of Irish music. It's kind of confusing, Scotland, Ireland, but they play music from all the Isles. There's, I think, 14 bands playing 2 days of music. What I love best about this festival, though, is that it's good for the whole family. You can bring your kids, let them run around, let them dance, attempt a little. I can't do it. That dancing where you don't move your arms, you just do. See, don't do it like me. It's a great festival, though, so and come enjoy it.
Okay, thank you very much. 3, 2, 1, go.
Welcome to Louisville. Come down, learn a little bit at Louisville Irish Fest about women, Irish history, and our beautiful city.
1, go.
Welcome to Louisville Irish Fest, and we're here every September, and 2-day festival featuring 14 bands across 3 stages, music, all sorts of food, vendors, games for activities for kids, and cultural events also of various sorts. So,
A great genealogy exhibit, too.
absolutely. Great genealogy. If you have Irish roots or any kind of roots from the British Isles, there's information for you, and we hope that you'll come.
One, go.
Hi folks, welcome to Louisville. Come on down to the Louisville Irish Fest at the beautiful Bellarmine campus. Join us and meet Mick and the gang.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hi, we are learning a little bit about our Irish roots here in Louisville. We have a Limerick area that reaches all the way back to the founding of Louisville. Lots of fun Irish history. Come learn a little bit about it.
We're looking forward to seeing you here at the beautiful Bellarmine campus.
Two, one, go.
Welcome to the Louisville Irish Fest, where your bluegrass is green.
Nishkes Kadiro Arwanini. Ora how ni Vanilla. A Christmas story nail is Master Bador Mekolo Nagaya do Lakani Woni Agina Nerigi. Ora how ni Vanilla. A Christmas story nail is Master Bador Bojoni Lakum Norashin the chorus though he not got a chat. Ora how ni Vanilla. According to what he nail listen along. Your mother says, come on along with me. Of course it's a story nail listen along. My love and my darling, come away with me. Me thought like a cow or how me vanilla shouting down go Caliban Minitra. Ora how me vanilla. Of course it's a story nail listen along. Farma me talk for a brother Shushin is Rahi and a Kanamara Kora how Vanilla. A Kusus a story nail is similar. I need for like a cow or how me vanilla shouting down Caliban Minero.